I'm Rica Mesa-Widor, Customer Service Manager of Business Development Department. Looking back, isa sa pinaka-favorite and proudest moments ko here in my 5 years at Global Dominion is my journey. Actually, this is my first job and I started as marketing associate sa May Kawayan branch. As a fresh graduate that time, wala akong idea kung saan ako dadalhin ng pass na to. But I just know na I had to show up. And now, being a customer service manager, masasabi ko na lahat ng lessons and challenges is worth it. And sobrang grateful and proud ako, hindi lang dahil sa promotions, kundi pati for the person I've become through the process. And also, hindi lang career growth ang na-achieve ko, kundi personal growth din. Sabi nga nila, malayo na, pero malayo pa. Para sa akin, masaya at fulfilling maging bahagi ng Global Dominion because every day, I get to learn something new and be with people who share the same goals as me. And also, very approachable ang lahat, even the higher management. As an employee, it makes me feel valued and supported. Isa sa mga tradisyon noon na hanggang ngayon is dala-dala natin sa tingin ko is you can really feel and see how everyone celebrates each other's wins and milestones. Kasi it also shows how supportive yung culture natin dito sa Global Dominion. Alam mo, sa personal achievement ko naman while working here at Global Dominion is grabe yung confidence na nagain ko. As I have mentioned nga kanina, I started as marketing assistant sa May Kawayan branch and before, sobrang nahihiya talaga akong humarap sa maraming tao. And now, as a customer service manager, I know na na-conquer ko na yung fear na yon. And now, mas confident na ako as a leader kasi nagagamit ko na yung mga natutunan ko from my experience before. Isa sa biggest milestone ko, syempre, ngayon nakakapag-provide na ako for my parents, may savings na rin ako, and investment for my future, and also nakakapag-travel na rin ako into places na before sa pictures ko lang nakikita. Bilang isang babae, sineselebrate ko ang Women's Month by going out more and exploring new places. Actually, one of my hobbies is umaakyat ako ng bundok every time I've achieved something or even kapag may small wins. And I think that's one of my ways of celebrating myself as a woman and as an employee by going out of my comfort zone. Ang message ko para sa mga kapwa ko employees is may we never limit ourselves from the things na makakahelp naman sa atin to grow into better version of ourselves. And tulad ni Global Dominion, for this year's theme is Go Beyond. So sa mga kapwa ko babae, let's empower each other. Global Dominion at 23 is expanding to reach more Filipino SMEs nationwide.